Hello, welcome to the SoftwareTrailers.com video channel. Today, we will be presenting BigCommerce and Magento. We will focus on the Magento one end of life. Now, let's talk about a little about BigCommerce first. BigCommerce is an e-commerce platform that provides software as a service to retailers. The company's platform includes online store creation, search engine optimization, hosting, marketing, and security for small and medium-sized businesses. Back in April of 2017, Magento announced that they were planning on no longer supporting the Magento 1 software. With an end date of June 2020, most people thought and believed they had time to migrate their sites, but that time has come. Whether you decide to move to Magento 2 or switch to a new e-commerce platform provider, you will be undergoing a full re-platform due to the end of life of Magento 1. However, if you don't switch, your site will no longer be supported by security updates after June 2020. This lack of support leaves your website and your customers' data at risk. Your site will no longer be PCI DSS compliant after the end of life date for last year. This may cause you issues with your payment provider and could lead them to drop you. You might think an easy option would be to upgrade to Magento 2. However, that might not be the case. As it was explained before, it is still a complete re-platform, which means some of your themes won't transfer. Your M1 extensions won't work, and some of your data will have to be migrated manually. In addition, Magento 1 and Magento 2 have different architecture, which is why this isn't a simple upgrade. Another option available is to switch platforms altogether, and BigCommerce might be the answer. You probably think you might as well stay with the platform you're used to, but before you decide, here are some critical comparisons to review. BigCommerce provides easy setup and works seamlessly with a wide assortment of enterprise-grade apps that installs with one click. 96% of merchants tend to migrate from their existing platform in 2 to 4 months. You will also spend less money. At 1/4 the cost of Magento, BigCommerce has no hosting or maintenance costs, while hosting Magento costs 4 figures per month regularly and can surge during the holiday season. On the other hand, BigCommerce offers a lower cost of ownership while providing better security, speed, and fraud protection. Finally, BigCommerce offers 99.98% server uptime and keeps your business running and orders processed even during peak seasons. Check out the link to BigCommerce in the description below. If you like this video, feel free to check our playlist specific to industry-leading software. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel if this content was helpful. Thanks for watching.